Well, this is one of the best items I've ever gotten. I'm super excited about this. So I have 3 dogs, a cat, and a kitten that I recently found. Somehow they just seem to show up at our house. And I've owned lots of fountains before, and I've usually hated them because they're so noisy. I'm going to stop talking and you can listen because you won't hear anything. Super quiet, no sound, because I have this in the family room and I didn't want it to be so loud it would drive me crazy or, you know, drown out the TV or whatever. I can't hear this thing. So far the cat has come over for a drink and the dogs like it too. Super easy to set up. You do have to replace the filters, but that's true with all these fountains. What's really nice is you can tell where the water level is without having to take the whole thing apart. Best fountain I've ever owned.
Okay, this is your normal feeder. Same one down here, a 2-bowl. They're not very tall at all. You can kind of see my hand there. But this thing, you see how it does the fountain on the top and then it slowly filters down into that trap. And then that's the water level gauge. I mean, this thing is cool.